We use class intervals when we have a large amount of data that needs to be organized systematically. In the business world, an HR manager also deals with huge employee data that must be processed according to certain rules or norms. In this project, we plan to apply the class interval concept from statistics to HR management. This is to simplify calculations, summarize large data sets, and make salary related analysis faster and easier. We use only a few column heads for a focused presentation, but in a real HR setup, you can add more fields such as allowances and incentives to calculate the gross salary accurately. Our data set represents 10 branches with a total of 1000 employees working in different positions and salary structures. Here we calculate salary increments based on the number of years of service and bonus as per the Companies Act. Finally, we create a summary report to find the gross salary using the calculated field in pivot table. Let us first see how to create class intervals, which will form the basis for the rest of our summary and calculations. Arrange our data neatly and in the organized way using proper column headings as shown in this example. We can always add more columns later if needed. In the data table, we have darkened the column headers: years of service, incremental rate, bonus rate, incremental salary, and bonus amount for better visual clarity. These are the key fields we must complete before creating a pivot table summary. Now let us see how we can calculate the column head years of service. Years of service means the total number of years an employee has worked in the company. That is, from the date of joining up to the date of calculation. Treat today as the calculation date. Type or paste this formula directly into the cell to calculate the rounded number of years of service. Then double click the fill handle to copy the formula down to the remaining cells. We have calculated the years of service for all employees in just one click. The first cell shows 35, which means the employee has been in service for 35 years. We will use the years of service column to create class intervals, which will serve as the foundation for generating other summary reports. The next step is to calculate the incremental rate based on the number of years of service. We set some conditions for eligibility for a salary increment. See these conditions. For example, anyone with less than 8 years of service gets no increment. Let us see how we can do this. Type this lookup formula in cell H2. This simple formula helps Excel automatically assign the correct increment rate for each employee based on their years of service. Next, we will calculate the bonus rate, which is 8.33% for employees earning a basic salary above Rs 21,000 and 0 for others. Type this formula in cell I2 to multiply the basic salary by the bonus rate to find the bonus amount each employee is eligible for. Now sort the data by branch name. You will notice how the formulas automatically generate different rates for each employee based on their years of service and basic salary. This clearly shows how Excel dynamically adjusts the values, giving accurate results for every branch and every employee. Let us quickly calculate the incremental salary and bonus amount. Simply multiply the basic salary by the incremental rate to get the incremental amount, and multiply the basic salary by the bonus rate to get the bonus amount. That's all. Now we are going to make a class interval using pivot table. Then we will calculate gross salary and other summary reports in few clicks. Click anywhere inside your data sheet and then go to the Insert tab and click the pivot table icon at the top left. Choose New Worksheet and click OK. A pivot table field pane will appear. Now drag year of service to the rows area and drag basic salary, incremental salary and bonus amount to the values area. Next, right click anywhere inside the year of service column in the pivot table and choose group. If the grouping window shows suitable class intervals, just click OK. Your entire data is now summarized neatly. Click Analyze tab, then choose Fields, Items and Sets and select Calculated Field. In the name box, type Gross Salary, in the formula box, select Basic Salary from the field list, add a plus sign, then select Incremental Salary, add another plus sign and finally select Bonus. Click OK. And your pivot table will now display the gross salary calculated for each class interval.